Instant messaging, or IM, enables users to exchange messages and information in real time through the internet, using apps suitable for smartphones or tablets, desktop versions, or specific software suitable for computers or laptops. Some examples for IM apps are Viber, WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook Messenger, Google Chat, etc. The instant messenger tools can be used both in private communication between two users or discussions involving several users organized in groups. Instant messaging is perfect for quick, brief communication, like asking for a convenient time to see a person to discuss a task, or urgently informing about something. This type of tools are quite popular because they are a convenient and quick way to communicate with others. However, in order to make our communication even better, it is always good to keep in mind some advices. Keep it short and straight to the point. IM tools are perfect for exchanging couple of lines, but when we would like to send a longer message, with several points or questions, better use another tool, such as email, or better call to the person. As most people use IM through phone apps, the small screens are not convenient for scrolling long texts of several paragraphs. In a professional setting, better stick to the verbal communication and avoid emojis, stickers, or GIF pictures. Your boss or mentor would not be happy to scroll several lines with pictures without getting the actual message you want to share with them. Mind your language. Unlike the communication with friends, in the communication with your mentor or colleagues, always use proper words and grammar, and do not use any internet slang or abbreviations which not everyone might be able to understand. Think twice about the attachments. It might be nice to add photos, but not documents, although many of the apps offer opportunities to attach different files to the messages. For presentations, documents, contracts, reports, or other materials, it is better to use the old good emails. There are two reasons for that. First of all, not all telephones have the right apps to open Docs, Excel, PowerPoint, or PDF files and view them properly. And, just as we have mentioned above, scrolling long texts on the phone screen is not the most convenient thing to do, especially when revising a 10-page report. Always keep in mind the timing of the messages, as all IM apps produce sounds instantly. It is not recommended to text your colleagues or boss late at night or during the weekends, unless it is a super urgent matter that needs a very prompt reaction. Now, let's make a quick test and move on to the next section.